nobody called to check on the nigga. Now I'm really popping when I hit the mall. I blow me a check on the bitches. Don't fuck with you haters. You talking best talk with your chest, little nigga. Check yourself out, put one in your chest, little nigga. They wanted to smoke, now they talk out they neck to a nigga. Gotta stay woke, they ain't catching me slipping. Never go bros down my way to riches. Used to dream about the way that I'm living. Look up at the sky and thank God that I made it. Was down in the streets and came out with a saving. The money I'm craving, but I'm never changing. Down on my ass, the Lord put a pin on my hand and said this is my blessing. So I'ma keep going no matter what happens. Stay humble, can't fall into trapping. Can't give it up, I'm never tapping. Stay rid of my niggas, I'm never capping. Was locked in them chains, now I'm finally free. I came out the streets where most of these niggas be creep. Remember nights out of sleep, now I blew a check. Running back up in the weed, running back up in the weed, yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me, I got back on my feet, now they don't wanna beef. Cause I came out the streets where most of these niggas be creep. Remember nights out of sleep, now I blew a check. Running back up in the weed, running back up in the weed, yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me, I got back on my feet, now they don't wanna beef. Cause I came out the streets, I came out the streets, I came out the streets. Hey yo, Ren, turn that up. I never love again, no. I'm sick of the games, I'm sick of the lies. Don't tell me you sorry, I had enough. You wasn't in love, that shit for the birds. I gave you my trust and you fucked it up. I don't wanna love again, no. I'm cutting you off, try to tell me I ain't good enough when you was the one I was giving up. I don't wanna love again. I'm sick of the games, I'm sick of the lies. Don't tell me you sorry, I had enough. You wasn't in love, that shit for the birds. I gave you my trust and you fucked it up. I don't wanna love again, no. I'm cutting you off, try to tell me I ain't good enough when you was the one I was giving up. I don't wanna love again, no. Nah, I never love again. Drunk in love, time for me to get sober. No second chances, can't let you get over. No taking advantage, you making decisions like you wear the pants. I shook up the deuces, now you wanna panic. You swear you took off, but don't know how to land it. You misunderstood, now you can't understand it. You ain't understand me. Said I was too much to handle while you throwing shots at me. Don't run out of ammo, cause I'm coming back like on Rambo. You said you was there for me, and you let it burn like a candle. Life is a beach, so I'm wearing sandals. Ain't getting caught up, really don't give a fuck. Cause these bitches be thirsty like camels, but I let it be. I let it fly, now you out of my reach, yeah, yeah. I let it fly, now you out of my reach, yeah, yeah, yeah. But I never love again, no. I'm never cuffing them, no. I put my trust in them hoes. Now I never trust again, no. I never trust again. Don't play no games with me. I'm not a controller, you won't take control of me. I had to settle, letting you do like whatever. That shit getting old to me. Caught up believing that dream that you sold to me. Lie after lie, time after time. That ain't how it's supposed to be. That ain't how it's supposed to be, no. I do not fuck with your vibe. I don't want you close to me. I don't fuck with your vibe. And you wanted me on the side. That shit ain't what's up for me. Said you was gon' slide for me. Don't tell me you love me if you ain't gon' ride for me. You was tied to me. Now we cutting ties. I can tell you was flawed by the look in your eyes, but I let it be. Now it's out of my reach. Yeah, yeah. I let it fly. Now you out of my reach. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But I never love again. No, I'm never cuffing them. No, I put my trust in them hoes. Now I never trust again. No, I never trust again. Yeah, 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 yeah. I let it fly. Now it's out of my reach. Yeah, 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 yeah. But I never love again. No, I'm never cuffing them. No, I put my trust in them hoes. Now I never trust again. No, I never trust again. I'm sick of the games. I'm sick of the lies. Don't tell me you sorry. I had enough. You wasn't in love. That shit for the birds. I gave you my trust and you fucked it up. I don't wanna love again. No, I'm cutting you off. Try to tell me I ain't good enough when you was the one I was giving up. I don't wanna love again. No. I let it fly, now you out of my reach, yeah. But I never love again. I never love enough in them. I never trust in them. I never trust again. No, I never trust again. Get up, you know, out here. Shorty on my lap now. Yeah, you playing with the game now. Yo, blast off, Astro. Flip a pie now, serving excess love. Got my bag, shorty with me, I stepped up. GTA for the ops, ain't no less stuff. Shout out, Astro. Let's do this. Flip a pie now, serving excess love. Got my bag, shorty with me, I stepped up. GTA for the ops, ain't no less stuff. Shawty born to be my angel, yeah, I'm blessed up. Cooking right up in the stool, got a cheddar fan. Yeah, I'm watching out for ops, yeah, they not my friends. People treat me like I'm Sony, cause I got some bands.
Pero Thompson porque le estaban dando a Thompson.